back to this channel. It's me, Mago. How to fix this storage space problem of these Androids? If you search, can you see the Smart Manager? Can you open this up? There is battery. My battery is 65 also. Storage my 96 used. Details, my records, all of this. Delete. If your image is not come, delete it. Any events, your video is not come, deleted. Video is not important. Video is not here. If an application not for using uninstalled, and this is it's up there. Every is clean, all is turn off, turn it on of this. Okay, this is 97. There goes to total 8 GB also. Yeah, I can't detail storage space. This storage goes to come. Can you see? If anything is not work, clear that also. Clear it look like. Clear that and see. Today I'll show you how to fix the storage problem fix. Let's see. Not I'm cooking calculator. You want to new settings. Oh, my phone is so laggy. Okay. Go. Let's try clicking Smart Manager. Can you see this? This also 96. RAM I 9966 use. No sim is 66 is used. I am clicking. You can't see this option. Clean all. If you clean all, this load to 62 also. 57. Can you see? I am clicking. What is this? No, my phone is going to restart. No. I am clicking scan device. Which message? Okay. Device security. If you wait for few minutes, this is can also every time. Please like and subscribe and turn on all notifications. Let's wait for this scan. Let's see the record window. I'm clicking cancel. I not scan this very time. More. If this off, turn off, and this is turn on. Power saving, turn it on. Moments. Let's read. Receive notification when app that have not been used for the more than 3 days are automatically set to save power. Turn it on. Let's see. Receive notifications when apps are causing your device to run slowly. Yes, this is on. Turn it off. Okay. If you click clean all again, here can you see clean all. of why this tag ball was open. Can you open Play Store? Oh, why my Wi-Fi is problem? And you clearing all the app, any app of data. If you don't work, I'm clear data of I think Xcoder. Can you see capture anything? Record was going. I think my record was fixed. Problem goes. And minute 54. Edit video. Can I have spaces? Settings. No landscape. Okay. Can you see the screenshot? I have storage apps, and if your phone have plug to backup, take it in a backup all this account and format it all, then this all problem can fix. Can you uninstall? No. I don't uninstall. This record is opened again. Finally, the record problem is fixed. Yay! Bye guys.